When someone says it's raining cats and dogs, they really don't mean that cats and dogs are falling from the sky. That is just an expression that people use to mean that it's raining very hard. But if someone says it's raining frogs and fish, then you ought to take a look outside because it just might be true. In 1939, a magazine in England reported a rain of frogs. A man named Mr. Eddles, who worked at the local swimming pool, was caught in a very heavy rain about 4:30 in the afternoon. As he was running for shelter, he heard what sounded like lumps of mud falling behind him. He turned around and was amazed to see that hundreds of frogs were falling from the sky onto the grass and around the swimming pool. Science magazines reported a shower of fish in Marksville, Louisiana in 1947. According to one eyewitness, a fish ranged from 2 inches to 9 inches in length, and they fell all over the town. One man said that hundreds of fish had fallen into his yard, and other people reported being hit by falling fish. There have been reports of other animals falling from the sky, too. In 1877, thousands of snakes rained down in Memphis, Tennessee. They were up to 18 inches long and must have created quite an uproar. There was even one report of a turtle that fell to the earth during a severe hailstorm. Although it certainly seems difficult to believe, many people have reported seeing live animals rain down from the sky. In ancient times, when people believed in witches and magic, they thought that falling animals were a bad omen. Now we look for a scientific explanation for this mystery. Some scientists think that the animals were swept up into the air by tornadoes, but this answer doesn't really explain everything. It doesn't explain why it only rains one type of animal at a time. Why wouldn't a tornado pick up all the animals in a pond instead of just the fish or frogs or snakes? There have been so many reports of animals falling from the sky that it seems very likely that there is a good explanation somewhere for these events. But what is it? So far, scientists cannot tell us.